Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TFUEL. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this very huge breakout that is happened on this 7 days time frame chart from this big falling wedge pattern. And even before breaking out this wedge pattern, I've been telling you that once TFUEL will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive rally, a long-term bull run for TFUEL, because this was a multi-year space resistance, and you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice rally. And so far from this low to here, TFUEL has rallied almost 394%, but could not continue this move to the upside due to this long-term resistance on that starts from 11.5 cents and goes to 15 cents. And if we take a look at the previous history of this support zone or support and resistance zone, then you can see that it has been previously breaking as a support zone here, and for several weeks it has been breaking as a support zone here as well. And after breaking it down, this level is now flipped into a strong resistance, and now for the past several weeks you can see it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And in today's video we will analyze this resistance, and we will also take a look at this long-term support of this red line here. You can see this is the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21, that was previously breaking as a very strong resistance, and now it is flipped into a nice support. You can see that for several weeks, and the price line has been testing this EMA 21 here as a support, and now recently we have almost tested the support here and geared up, and now we are trying to break out the next resistance on. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for injective protocol, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 11th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button like I'm doing here, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of TFUEL, and this is the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of May 2021 it was moving inside this very big falling wedge pattern. By the way, during this move to the downside, we had this very significant support zone that was starting from 15 cents and goes to 11.5 cents. We broke down this support zone. You can see that the price line had a nice bounce from this support zone here and here and here as well. And finally, we broke it down. By the way, before that, it had been also breaking as a resistance here for almost 2 weeks. And after the breakdown, you can see that it is again flipped into a strong resistance. The previous support is now breaking as a resistance. Therefore, despite this powerful rally that was begun after breaking out this falling wedge pattern, and despite this almost 400% rally, the price line could not continue its move to the upside. And now you can see that for the past several weeks it is getting rejected by this resistance zone. And now we also have this EMA 21 that is now working as a support, and you can see that it is aggressively moving to the upside. And the movement, for example, if we will have another rejection by the resistance zone, and if the price line will be moved down, then this EMA 21 will be still moving up, and it will the movement of the price line will be squeezed between the EMA 21 and this resistance zone, and there will be a very high probability that after getting squeezed soon it may break it out. But so far you can see it is still moving at the resistance zone and making several attempts even at this time. And if we take a look at the smaller time frame, then you can see it is moving at this resistance and trying to break out this resistance zone. And once it will be able to break it out, then the next major resistance will be here at 25 cents. And by the way, the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, the technical target, can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 70 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.